If you're thinking about buying Rytr, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. While Rytr offers solid features in the generative AI space, it might not always be the best choice depending on your needs. Let's dive into the details so you can make a more informed decision. First thing to consider is its user-friendly interface. Rytr is very easy to use, especially for beginners. Unlike some competitors like Jasper, which can feel overwhelming due to a steeper learning curve, Rytr focuses on simplicity. This means you can start creating content right away without wasting time figuring out complex features. Next thing is the range of templates available. Rytr offers several writing templates like blog posts, ads, and social media captions. However, while it covers the basics, it's a bit limited compared to Jasper or Copy.ai, which offer more specialized templates. If you're looking for a broader variety of formats or a more niche focus, Rytr might fall short. The third thing you should know is its pricing. Rytr's free plan is great for casual users, but its premium plans are where it gets competitive. The premium version is fairly affordable, especially when compared to other tools like Jasper or Rytr. However, the free plan has significant limitations, so it's worth considering whether the paid plan is worth it for your use case. The fourth thing is the quality of the generated content. Rytr does a good job for general writing, but it might struggle with more complex content. If you're comparing it to high-end competitors like Copy.ai, you might notice the output isn't as polished or nuanced. While it's fine for simple content, for more sophisticated writing, you might need to tweak the results. The fifth thing to know is the language support. Rytr supports more than 30 languages, making it a good option if you need multilingual content. This puts it on par with many competitors, though tools like Jasper and Rytr might offer more advanced capabilities in different languages. Next, let's talk about integrations. Rytr integrates with popular tools like Google Docs, WordPress, and others, but it's not as robust as some of the top competitors, such as Copy.ai or Jasper, which have more comprehensive integrations with platforms like Shopify or email marketing tools. The seventh thing to consider is customer support. Rytr's support team is responsive, but it lacks the in-depth resources some competitors offer. For instance, Jasper has a larger knowledge base and more interactive tutorials, so if you need immediate help, Rytr might not be as fast or thorough. The eighth thing to mention is the content plagiarism check. Rytr offers an inbuilt plagiarism detector, which is a big plus for content creators. It's not as advanced as tools like Copyscape or Grammarly, but it does the job well enough for basic use. The ninth thing is the output speed. Rytr performs quickly, generating content almost instantly. If speed is important for your work, you'll appreciate how fast it works compared to slower tools like Rytr or Copy.ai. However, this speed sometimes comes at the cost of content quality, especially in longer pieces. The 10th thing is the AI model behind Rytr. It uses GPT-3 for its writing, which is great for generating human-like text. But tools like Jasper use the latest versions of GPT, which can result in more accurate and contextually relevant outputs. Next thing to note is its SEO features. Rytr has some basic SEO tools, but they're not as advanced as those offered by competitors like Jasper. If SEO is a key focus for you, tools like Surfer SEO with Jasper would be a better choice for more detailed optimization. The 12th thing to consider is its overall versatility. Rytr is a solid option if you're looking for a general-purpose AI writer. It does the basics really well, but when it comes to more niche needs, it might not offer the flexibility that other tools like Jasper or Rytr provide. Overall, Rytr is a good option for those who need a straightforward and affordable AI writing tool. It's easy to use, fast, and offers good value for the price. But if you need more advanced features or better content quality, you might want to explore our recommended solution, which you can try for free.